Exhale, step, float, or fly in front of your mat. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, Utkatasana, second side. Exhale, left leg over, eagle. Inhale, Vira 3. Exhale, bow it forward. Inhale, tuck your shoulder, open up the hips. Exhale, step back. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, Skandasana at the back of the mat. Inhale, crawl your way to Parsva Konasana, grab your strap. Exhale, bind. Inhale, open. Exhale, look at the floor, step forward. Inhale, stand. Exhale, straighten the leg. Inhale, bend the knee. Exhale, plant the foot, step back. Inhale to open. Exhale, release the bind. Come to humble warrior or lizard, whatever you want to call this. Set yourself up for your transition. And exhale down. Okay, so all of that work was working up towards this little funky transition that isn't a real thing. I just totally made it up. But it felt cool. It felt good to me, so I thought I'd share. All right, so give it a try if you like. What you'll do is you will come into a deep kind of lizard lunge, and you're trying to work your head towards your ankle here. So it's a nice deep hip opener. We've been in this shape several times during class, so take a couple breaths just to get a little deeper into it. And then I'll kind of turn to the side here so that you can see a little better what happens with the arms. But you're going to keep your shoulder tucked deeply behind your calf muscle. And you're going to walk your left foot in and come to a standing splits with your shoulder tucked. So in the flow, we did this with an open hip. For this one, I want you to keep your hips squared towards the floor. And really lift, lift, lift with the back of the left leg. Use the butt muscle, the hamstrings, everything to really lift that leg. But then you're going to start to cross the thighs deeply like you did for eagle pose. And start to plant your hands and bend your elbows. And you're trying to get your left knee to the top of your right tricep. Depending on the bulk of your right leg, it will be easier or harder to find real estate there. And then once your knee is planted, you're going to try to squeeze your knees together and lift your right foot off the floor. Good. And that may be it. You could conceivably then try to take it to Ekapada 2, or if you're really fancy, you could try to take it to Ekapada 1, which is the cross one. And we didn't do a lot of twisting in this class, so maybe I'll give it a try. Let's see. Tuck. Head towards ankle. Plant the hands. Come to the standing splits. Bend the knee. Cross the inner thighs. Plant the elbow. Maybe you take it to Ekapada 1. I've never done that before. That's kind of fun. So give it a try. Let's see what's possible. It's kind of fun to play around. Let's do the second side.